Hi everyone, welcome to the official demo of Urooj POS. In today's video, we will take a look at the table and kitchen module. If you haven't enabled this module yet, you can watch our previous video on how to activate it. The link is in the bio. First, let's go to the POS screen. Once you've enabled the table and kitchen module from the settings, you will be able to see two new sections on your POS screen, table and kitchen. Let's start with table view. Here you will be able to see takeaway and delivery options, all the table that you have added in the system, the current status of each table such as free, occupied or reserved. On each table you can also view short order details like preparing, ready or not applicable. Payment status such as due or paid. If an order is both ready and paid, it will no longer appear in the table view. However, if the order is still due or still pending, it will remain visible. Now let's see how to create an order. To add an order to a free table, simply select the table and proceed as usual. If the table is already occupied, select the table and click on New Order button. This is useful when multiple customers are seated at the same table but require separate bills. You also have the option to merge orders. For example, let's select a table with multiple orders, which is table number 1. You can choose to merge all or merge selected orders. Click on Merge All and you will see a combined total of all the orders. You can either cancel or confirm by clicking Merge Now. Once merged, the orders will be combined into a single bill. If you made a mistake, you can click on Undo Merge to revert back to the original separate order. Next, let's look at the kitchen button on the POS screen. This feature allows the cashier to easily access and monitor all kitchen orders. Now let's go through a complete order flow. When a customer is seated, select the table, add the items ordered by the customer. If the customer wants to pay later, click on Draft. This will save the order and send the kitchen order ticket to the assigned printer. If the customer wants to pay immediately, simply proceed to finalize the payment. Both the KOT and receipt will be printed. After sending the KOT, the order status will appear as preparing in the table view. At the same time, the order will appear as preparing on kitchen display. Here. Once the kitchen staff has prepared the order, they can click on Mark as cooked. If you don't have a separate kitchen screen, the cashier can access the kitchen view by clicking on Kitchen Order from the POS screen and mark it as cooked. Once marked as cooked, the order will disappear from kitchen display. The status in table view will be updated to ready. Finally, when the customer is ready to pay, go to the table view and click Open for that order and proceed to finalize the payment. That's it for today's demo. You have just seen how to manage orders using the table and kitchen module in Urooj POS. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video with a new topic.